Power sharing is very important for a democratic country. So now I'm going to teach you need of power sharing. There are two reasons why power sharing is desirable. It is written in your book. Have you got? Have you got the topic in your book? Need of power sharing. Why is power sharing desirable? It is written in your book. Getting me? मेरी आवाज आ रही है सबको? Am I audible to all? सबको मेरी आवाज आ रही है अच्छे से? हेलो? Am I audible to all? सबको मेरी आवाज? Okay, good. Power sharing is desirable due to two reasons. One is prudential reason and another is moral reason. What do you mean by prudential reason? Very good leaders, those leaders are having ability to visualize the future of a nation. They can understand better the power. That's why power sharing is very nicely applied in India, and result we are united since our independence, right? So, beta, power sharing is very, very important. If power sharing is ignored, what will happen? If power sharing is ignored, what will happen? If power sharing is ignored, then what happens? Political instability, social conflict, civil war, violence between all the citizens, and it will badly affect the peace and progress of the country. Right? Thus, by giving the example of Sri Lanka, the Sri Lankan democratic government did not able to handle it properly. What happened? Civil war. And take the example of Belgium. Their leaders prudentially deal with this situation and result peace and progress. Moral reason, one of the another reason of power sharing. Power sharing is the spirit of true democracy. In a democratic country, power is shared among all the organs, all the institutions, all the sections of society. This is very much necessary at moral ground also in a democratic country. So these are two reasons mostly asked why power sharing is desirable. You will explain them by giving their examples. It is very much clear to you. Any question related to this, if you are having, you can ask. You can ask me any question related to power sharing, reasons of power sharing. कोई भी मुझसे पूछ सकता है. आप पूछ सकते हैं बेटा मुझे. Power sharing. Hello. Would you like to ask? पूछ सकते हैं बेटा आप मेरे से. Hello. 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 Clear to you? सबको क्लियर हो गया अच्छे से? Now we are going to study. Now next topic which we are going to start today. Now next topic which we are going to study today, forms of power sharing, right? This is a very, very important topic. Forms of power sharing. There are four forms of power sharing. One, horizontal power sharing. Second, vertical power sharing. Power is shared among social groups. Third, and fourth is power is shared among political parties, pressure groups, and movements. These four forms of power sharing given in your book. Clear to you? In these four forms, power is shared in a democratic country? First of all, very important to understand, power is distributed among the organs of government. Power is distributed among the organs of government. Can you tell me what are the organs of government? Can you tell me? आप बता सकते हैं organs of? Very good, Agartha. Agartha, there are three organs of government. We could say one legislature, legislative parliament at national level, executive, government, and third is judicial. These are the three organs. So, in a horizontal distribution of power, power of government is distributed among these three organs. This is called horizontal distribution of power. All three organs are at same level. All are equally important. No organ is greater or lesser than other. No organ is super powerful than other two organs. All are equally important, equally powerful in horizontal distribution of power. Clear to you? Third point we will write by giving the example over here. This type of power sharing system is also known as check and balance. Underline it. Each organ takes care that the other does not cross limit or jurisdiction of other its domain. All have to work according to constitution. They cannot cross their limit. They cannot go beyond the power of each organ. Their organ, their working field is decided by constitution. So they have to work under their area. Domains means working area. Right, student? So there is check and balance formula is applied over there. See, one organ of government neglects its duty or role, others step in, so the other organs remind them their duties. We have seen recently our country how judiciary has sometimes assumed the role of executive through public litigation, PIL. Now there is a pandemic time and there is a shortage of oxygen. Now interfered by the Supreme Court and asked the government, state government and central government to arrange oxygen for the patient. So public litigation now sometimes for in favor of public, judiciary can guide government also. So each organ's powers are balanced. All are equally powerful. Okay, beta. So this is the and judges are appointed by executive on the recommendation of executive. Judges are appointed by the President of India, but executive cannot remove them, cannot cut their salary. Only Parliament have power to do that. So judge can work freely. They can give decisions against anybody fearlessly. Each organ checks the other organ, just like minister, including prime minister, chief minister, doesn't function responsibility. It is removed. If they don't discharge their duties, then they can be removed by parliament. Simple. So it is removed by the legislature, parliament, or state assembly. So each or everybody's roles are very, very important. This is the first 4 points I have described you. The horizontal power sharing, the system of horizontal power sharing, which is called check and balance. One question is asked, why it is called check and balance system? So you will explain. Right? आपको अच्छे से समझ आ गया बच्चों? ये एनी क्वेश्चन इससे रिलेटेड की क्वेश्चन है आपका? बेटा कोई भी क्वेश्चन है आपका तो आस्क मी। एनी क्वेश्चन? बेटा आई एम फीलिंग temperature because I have taken the first dose of corona yesterday, so from night I am not feeling well. I am still having temperature, so I would like to stop your class over here, right? नींद तक की क्लास लूंगा। If need be, I will give you, if I would feel better, then I will give you time, some other time for the class. Okay? Thank you, Vita. Thank you very much.